Yes, good afternoon, good day, good morning, wherever you are in the world. This is your man, the Crypto, with a video tutorial. Yes, we will be doing a video tutorial stream on how to buy cryptos using Liberty Swap Finance. It's 0.3% protocol fee for just 2 minutes. Gamit yes, wallet. Kaya guys, watch till the end. Ang gagawin natin dito, as we will be doing this, the video tutorial stream in doing video tutorial. So, yeah, just share this one with you guys, yung ating mga reminders about this tutorial. This video tutorial is optimal for web setting. And it has small variations when we use it. Things to remember, first, we need to have a fully verified GCash account in order to use this crypto. Second, you should have already downloaded and loaded the Internet Money Wallet, Pulse Wallet, and any crypto wallet for that. And I have also prepared dito mga web apps to prepare. On my end, I have prepared for this video tutorial yung ating Liberty Swap Finance, Internet Money Wallet at IO, at saka yung Lend3 and Pulse Wallet. Don't worry, I will be posting yung mga links na ito dito sa ating video. Reminder, this is for newbies and for advanced users, again, the Binance route is a much better rate than GCash. And last but not the least, just to note, lost digital assets by the users is not to be blamed to the uploader. So follow the step-by-step video tutorial. So, yep, that's it, guys. For our mga reminders. So let's get it on directly to our buying of the cryptos using. So yeah, I'm turning I will make screen here by using ayun. Let me check lang muna. So let me share this yung ating video. So, maximize ko lang po guys. I'll be maximizing this on an end para makita. So, sana nakita nito yung aking GCash. No? So, on my end, I will be clicking and just follow the step-by-step process. So, dito, click yung ating GCash. So, click ko lang itong session na timeout. So, dito guys, so, ito yung aking So, yun. And dito sa my view all, click mo lang to. Get down to Gcrypto. Yep, scroll down to Gcrypto. And let the Gcrypto app, powered by BDAX, go. So, hintayin lang natin sandali na mag-load ang ating Gcrypto app. We are using the GCash Super. So, hayaan natin siya. So, for this video tutorial, as I was saying, yeah, meron na siyang laman, 1,596. So, ang gagawin lang, pag wala pang laman, yung GCrypto ay up. So, for this video tutorial, meron lang tayong 500. 500. We're done. So, click mo lang itong Gcrypto. So, meron ka ng 500 dito. So, gagawin natin is ibili natin to ng USDC on the base. So, gamitin natin pala guys is yung USDC na base. So, ito guys. USDC on the second layer of Ethereum, which is base. So, kailan ito? Buy tayo ng 500 pesos worth of USDC. Click yung buy. then go back to the dashboard. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is to send itong ating USDC on the Base network doon sa ating internet money wallet, yung ating DeFi wallet. So, click ko lang ito again. Go scroll down lang tayo guys. Dito. And click send. Allow pasting. So I am using, by the way, a MacBook Air and an iOS app. So remember, meron lang itong pagkakaiba with regards to some Android users and Windows users. It's the same. The process will be generally just the same. So dito guys, I am opening pala yung aking, share ko lang yung aking internet money wallet that I use. Dito guys, sana nakikita nyo to. Alright. So we are doing this streaming way. So, yun, nandito na tayo guys. So, click ko lang to. Itong parang mayroong copy. Then, let's go back dito sa ating Gcrypto, ano? So, dito naman, sa my enter amount, ano? Click mo lang yung max. Dito sa naman sa USDC, na recipient, paste. Meron lang siya, guys, remember ha, meron siyang network fee of $2. Sabi ko nga kanina, yung ating reminder, this is for newbies. But for the advanced user, yeah, you can do the Binance route with much lesser fees. So again, click ko lang to, then click send. Hintayin lang natin mga process of ating click lang yung send USD base. And then I can go so I'm checking my device. So this is streaming of a 2-way report. So that whole part, you can see everything. So it's guys, so it's still right. So it's submit. Awesome. So hintayin lang natin yung process na products, yung ating pag-send dun sa ating base network dun sa internet money. So yun guys, nakita nyo, no? 1 peso na lang yung natira. So hintayin muna natin yung email coming from Binance using Gcrypto. So hintayin lang natin guys yung ating sandali lang as we will try to share our screen. Sandali lang as we will be sharing our screen. It's coming, so yun natin play ito window. May phone meron rin na. So yun, nakita na. So, yeah, hintayin muna natin ating dito may mag-message sa akin. Sabi, you have successfully sent USDC base. So pag ganyan guys, click mo lang yung internet wallet. So dito naman, click natin to. Sa internet money wallet, ang gagawin lang natin is click lang natin yung network. Tapos kung tayo sa base, click yes using internet money wallet. Again, yung ginagamit natin dito is yung ating internet money wallet. So dito guys, lang natin, then add token. This part guys, add mo natin dito. Kaya dito. Yun, good na. So dito na guys, you can see a 33.10 USD or 1,911.71. So pag nandito na tayo guys, click naman natin itong ating, so yan, nakita nyo na guys, right? So click naman natin yung ating Liberty Swap Finance. So dito na yung final leg ng ating video tutorial. So click mo na itong connect guys, look for the Internet Money Wallet. And nandito na yung Internet Money Wallet, click mo lang ito. So yeah, you have to select now. So anong wallet? So dito naman sa akin, ang ginagamit ko dito is yung Internet Money Wallet 2. So I have, by the way, renamed this one. So click connect. Pag nandiyan na yan guys, so wallet connected na. So dito sa Liberty Swap connected na. So dun sa ating Internet Money Wallet, I have clicked na yung how to connect. Right? So you are still in this at the moment guys yung ating Internet Money Wallet. So ito na yung final leg in how to swap your USDC base into HEX. So I'll be buying HEX by the way, and you could swap USDC base to USDC Postchain directly and other tokens on the Postchain network. So pakita lang natin to yung ating Liberty Swap Finance. Dito, you could swap your USDC base using, you could swap it directly with USDC, calls, wheat, DAI, and other tokens that are listed. So for this stream, we will be swapping for HEX. So click mo lang yung max. So magko-compute siya kung ilan yung marireceive mo na HEX. So again, makikita natin dito sa baba yung ating 2 to 3 minutes swapping of HEX. So dito, meron daw tayong 3,244 HEX. So dito nga yung swap. Confirm swap. Yeah. Dito sa Internet Money Wallet. So click view. So click mo lang to ulit. And yun, you're done. So hintayin na lang natin na yung ating Liberty Swap na is darating po sa ating Internet Money Wallet doon sa post. So yun guys, ganun ka-easy ang pag-swap. Right? So you have to click again yung ating Internet Money Wallet. Click yung Liberty Swap. So meron lang siyang dalawang i-click mo na mga for swapping. So I am tagging with my tab. So you have to bear with me on this one. Yes. So kaya minsan nakakalito, but that's what it is. So sabi dito guys, you have swap direct. So ganun lang sa And if alam niyo ito yung process na ito, I think it will be much lesser than 5 minutes on your phone. So again guys, sana meron kayong natutunan sa ating video tutorial ngayong araw na ito. I hope I add value to your journey. And again, sana I will see you soon guys on top, as we will be bringing adoption into crypto. It will be used in kanyang mga fundamentals in doing this. Again guys, thank you for watching. Again, this is your man, Macbi Crypto. Magandang hapon, magandang araw. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching.